Hello and welcome to Car DIY Repair. Today I'm going to do a quick video on an engine flush, and I think after 352,020 kilometers it's way overdue for my Toyota. So today I'm going to be using some of this here. It's Wynn's engine flush. I picked this up in Cork there yesterday, and it claims to, let's have a look and see what it's claiming to do. Cleans engine internally, very good. Removes harmful deposits, neutralizes acids, prevents contamination of new engine oil, provides friction proofing during treatment, free sticking internal engine components, and quietens noise hydraulic valve lifters. So that's the instructions here. It says bring engine to operating temperature, switch engine off, add contents to used engine oil, start engine idle for 20 minutes. When engine is still warm, drain crankcase, engine, oil filter and oil. Contents treats from 3 to 6 litres of oil. Use it every oil change. Compatible with all mineral and synthetic engine oils, and suitable for regular and low SAPS applications. Safe to use with catalytic converters and turbochargers, which is good. Let's just have a look at the dipstick first of all. As we can see here, the oil isn't too bad, I suppose. It's after doing 11,000 kilometers since the last service, so just clean the dipstick off and recheck it out one more time. Let's see what it's like. As we can see there, it's in between. So this takes 6.3 litres, so there's about 5 litres, 5.5 litres in that. So let's get it in. So let's pop it open, fill it in. Slot in down it. And we give it 20 minutes, and we'll come back after 20 minutes to drain out the oil. Okay, so that's 20 minutes now. Let's turn it off. That's that now. We just get Evan now to jack it up and get the underneath done, so we'll get ready to drain the oil. Move the filter housing off and remove the filter. As you can see, there's a lot of oil sponge in the bottom of that there, so we're going to give that a good cleaning out, and we're going to put in the filter and put on the oil seals, and we'll do that next. And there's a link in the description to show you how to do these things. Take off the filter and replace them. I'll leave it nice and clean inside the filter housing, just the way I want it. Now with the oil changed in the sump and the filter all changed, it's time to top it up with oil here now. So my car takes 6.3 litres. I'm going to fill it up there, and when the job is done I will come back and we'll start it up and we'll check out how she sounds. So let's have a look and see what colour the oil is like in this, and it's looking quite good, and it's just below the full mark, which is where I want it to be. I'm going to fire it up now and see how she sounds. Okay, so this is it after the flush, how she sounds. You know what you think? You can let me know in the comments. Yeah, I think it sounds a little bit better. But we know I'll definitely see how it responds with the fuel consumption and everything else. See, does it help? But anyway, I'm going to end the video there, and I hope this is helpful to whoever's wanting to do this job. Please subscribe, leave a comment, and enjoy the video. Take care.